Well, there's massive destruction in this area, and the real tragedy still lies beneath this huge slush and the rocks. Yesterday, it was a community kitchen and langar for Machhil Yatra, and today this is the scene, and here everything is destroyed, including their temple also, that was also destroyed in this. So there are several people who are looking for their dear ones who are still missing, and so people are here, but the amount of damage, you can see these massive rocks and the boulders which have come with the this flash floods, and it has destroyed everything here at this campsite of the Machhil Yatra. So let me talk to some of the people who are actually working here. भैया क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं आप?
हम सर बॉडीज ट्रेस कर रहे हैं जो
बॉडीज, हाँ
जी।
तो कितने लोग अभी कहते हैं मिसिंग है?
अब एग्जैक्ट तो हम बोल नहीं सकते सर, लेकिन इतना है कि जिस टाइम मैं पुल पे खड़ा था नीचे,
अच्छा आप उस वक्त यहीं थे?
हाँ मैं ऑन ड्यूटी था, हमारे 5 बंदे एसडीआरएफ के लोग यहाँ पे ऑन ड्यूटी थे।
आपका शुभ नाम?
मेरा नाम बाबर कयूम है।
अच्छा, तो आप उस वक्त वहीं थे जब वो क्या
जी
हुआ?
जी मेरे आंखों के सामने ये हुआ। मैं पुल से कोई 10 कदम आगे निकला तो मेरे साथ 4 लोग एसडीआरएफ के बंदे थे, वो खाना खाने आ रहे थे। मैं उनसे बातें कर रहा था, मेरी नज़र पीछे पड़ गई, मैंने सिर्फ कायल और देवदार के पेड़ और पत्थर से देखे बस, और जो आ रहे थे लोग और जा रहे थे पुल से, कम से कम कोई 150 लोग वो थे। मुझे
कितने लोग उस वक्त लंगर में थे जब ये हुआ?
लंगर में इधर हमारे 4 बंदे थे, उनका कहना है कि 100 लोग से ज्यादा था लंगर में, तो 150 लोग पुल के पास था।
पुल के पास? तो पुल को भी बह गया?
हाँ, पुल जो लकड़ी वाला पुल था वो भी बह
आप भी
गया।
बताएं, आपने क्या देखा? आप भी यहीं थे? हाँ, आप यहाँ नहीं थे उस वक्त, आप यहाँ थे?
हाँ जी मैं यहाँ पे
तो यहाँ देखिए, I can show you a plate which was this of langar, but now completely under the rubble. Someone may have been taking his lunch yesterday, and there's another plate also. So the again here, look, is one plate also. So the tragedy it is still unfolding, and the extent of tragedy is still fully not known. As I can show you here, there are so many people, and army is also here searching the body, paramilitary forces also here, and you can see all these people coming, and first thing was to take the injured and take them to hospital. More than 120 injured have been shifted to hospital, and now the search for the bodies is on here in this devastated place, which was a temple and a community kitchen, kitchen here, langar for the pilgrims here in this area. Since yesterday, all the resources are being mobilized. Look at the amount of rescuers here in this here, the main site of the devastation site. We have heard just one more body. One officer was telling us one body has been recovered just a while back from here. So the number of dead is only rising. So you can see some of the utensils which have been salvaged here. There are some of the utensils which have been salvaged. So these are here. Some food is still cooked here, completely destroyed now. So destroyed now. So this shows the magnitude of the devastation here in this Padar area of Kishtwar district. Yesterday morning, a bustling place, hundreds of the yatris of Machhil Yatra here celebrating this annual yatra, praying also, and today many of them are dead, many of them are still missing, and the magnitude of this tragedy is still not known, because the tragedy lies beneath these boulders and all that. That is the kind of the story here unfolding, and it may take several days to actually to clear these debris, because there are massive, like mountain like rocks and the boulders which have fallen, which has come with the cloud burst. Today, while the entire country is celebrating Independence Day and there are cultural shows, but in Jammu and Kashmir, all the cultural events at the Independence Day function have been cancelled. Chief Minister Umar Abdullah yesterday announced that there would be no cultural event at the Independence Day at Bakshi Stadium in Srinagar, and at home party being hosted by the Chief Minister has also been cancelled. This was the first time after 7 years in Jammu and Kashmir an elected government or the elected Chief Minister has hoisted the tricolor and taken salute at the march past. So really shocking visuals here, how people searches are still going on for the missing, and beneath this you see when this massive flood and the flash floods that swept everything away, and then there's Chenab River, dangerously flowing Chenab River. Many people are feared they may have been washed away in that river as well. So it's still unknown the number of casualties. Officials have directed to us, the common people, that they should inform the authorities about the missing persons, give them their identities so that there can be more searches. There is no confusion because every person who was here is not accounted for. So the searches are going on, and it is a tragedy which is still unfolding here in this Pada area of Kishtwar district.